Well, it's gonna happen sometime. You're going to run out of ideas. It happens to me. It happens to my husband, who's also a graphic designer. It just happens. So the good thing is have an idea of where to go when you need to brainstorm. And one of the places that I do like to go is actually on Instagram. And you can put in hashtag graphic design and just kind of scroll through and just get some inspiration. The other thing that I used to like to do, especially when I went to school in Boston, was I would stop up at the Museum of Fine Art and I would bring a sketchbook and I would just walk through the museum because I could get in free with my student's ID. And I would just sit down and kind of sketch out ideas. Even though I was a graphic design student and this was fine art, you know, there's ideas and art all around you. And sometimes we just have to open our eyes up and think differently and look at things differently. So it's really good to have an idea of where you should go when that roadblock hits, because the roadblock is going to hit. It happens to the best of us. And I even keep a nice folder in Chrome and it literally says ideas. And I go in there and I have some websites in there that have some like great images, like, great logos to look at, great color schemes to look at, because ideas are everywhere and it might be just looking at a shade of color and all of a sudden it clicks how you're going to fix something. So, good luck this week. This is the second, which means it's the last discussion post of DGS 106. Congratulations, and I hope that you finish this mod strong and you have a great mod next mod. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.